जय जय श्री राधे. Exercise 14. Dictation 80 words a minute. Ready. We have charged our family planning programs to more comprehensive family welfare programs on similar lines. I think more focused approach to women's empowerment is also required to supplement our policy initiatives in population stabilization. Para. Achieving equality between men and women is an accepted global norm, and such a commitment by itself is a hallmark for a democratic, civilized society. Further, it has been recognized that empowerment of women has a significant bearing over the demographic issue. At ICPD, it has been recognized that population and development programs are most effective when steps have simultaneously been taken to improve the status of women. Para. Among the developing countries where a substantial part of the economy is in unorganized sector, much of inputs and outputs of the workforce of women remain unrecognized. Women control most of the non-monetary economy like subsistence agriculture, domestic labor, and bearing and raising the children. They also play significant part in money economy like household industries, informal sector, wage labor, etc. In spite of their contributions, the index of human development like education, health, employment, and life expectancy remain low. In case of women, ignoring the needs of women has resulted in uncontrolled population growth, high infant and child mortality rates, weak micro and macro level economy, and overall deterioration in the human development index and social development. Para. Though they remain the basic cohesive force in the family and are the custodian of values in a traditional social milieu, women have few choice in life outside the marriage and bearing and rearing of children. We cannot afford to exclude them from having equal opportunity as men in their life. They not only constitute about half of population but also influence the future generations more significantly. Investment in women should be seen in this light. It will mean better life.